SYRA stock analysis and SYRA stock prediction. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention with Syra Health is that the price is absolutely interesting. You know, it was the main reason why I'm making video, because I think is generally there's a lot of interest around it. Context, I've spent 5 figures on this over the last 4 years on, you know, called out thousands of correct predictions for free on my YouTube channel. Specifically with SYRA, I'm still looking to take things lower. Again, not specifically that I have like some ill intentions towards SYRA, just like the reality, me following my trend. Like literally, if I pull this thing like all in front, or just move it to the side if you can't see it here, just, you know, wanted to see my double break. And honestly, because it's not even volatile for that to happen, I am just so open to continuing to take shorts as long as the rules are met. But like, it's just a bearish bias otherwise, you know, I'm just not gonna take no trades. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.